Hi, I'm Kevin and I work at XR Corporation. Over the next few minutes I'll be showing you how you can easily introduce the benefits of deduplication, compression, and thin provisioning to Microsoft applications including SharePoint and Exchange 2010 with BitWackr for Windows. Microsoft introduced Single Instance Storage or SIS to the Storage Edition of Windows Server and had included it in older versions of Exchange, but SIS was removed from Exchange 2010 to improve performance. Without SIS in standard Windows Server and removing it from Exchange 2010, the door is now open to storage inefficiencies and unrestrained capacity growth. Fortunately for you and your customers, BitWackr for Windows brings block-level inline deduplication and hardware-accelerated compression to all Windows Server editions and Microsoft applications, providing a powerful deduplication and data reduction technology. Before we jump into how easy it is to enable Windows servers and applications with deduplication and compression, let me show you the innovations behind how BitWackr works. Built using our patent-pending virtual block device technology, BitWackr transforms disk storage into a capacity-optimized device without regard to whether the disk is local, direct, iSCSI, or fiber channel SAN attached to the Windows server. By using our virtual block device technology, BitWackr gives Windows the flexibility to lay down a file system like NTFS or use the deduplicating, compressing, and thinly provisioned block device as a raw volume. This design ensures that every block of data written to the BitWackr volume is deduplicated and compressed in line at high speed, transparent to Windows applications, and end users. BitWackr for Windows is easy to install via the wizard-driven setup program. It can be configured and running within minutes. Once installed, you will see a BitWackr for Windows icon in your Windows Server system tray. Simply right-click on the BitWackr icon and choose Open. Since this will be the first time using BitWackr, you will be taken directly to the Add Volume screen. When creating a BitWackr volume, it is important to assign a drive letter that delivers fast, random I/O performance to the hash table, like an SSD. BitWackr's logical block address table, as well as the main data store, which is where your data will reside, should both be RAID protected. This configuration provides a good balance of performance and capacity while still providing a high level of data protection. Since SharePoint and Exchange need a drive letter to target, let's configure this volume to be drive letter W. The volume will then need to be formatted and initialized, which takes only a few minutes. And that's it. From here on out, nothing is out of the ordinary, and you can now go to Windows Disk Management Utility to confirm the capacity-optimized drive W is now available for use. For example, as you install SharePoint and Exchange, all you need to do is remember the drive letter of your BitWackr volume and allocate this drive letter to be the target volume for that application's data. Your Microsoft application is now reading and writing data as usual. Only behind the scenes, BitWackr is using your storage capacity more effectively while making sure that your data's integrity remains uncompromised. As soon as you begin writing data to the BitWackr volume, you'll see that your storage capacity needs are being reduced. And over time, as more and more data is written, you can watch those savings grow. The amount of storage capacity you save will vary depending on the applications and types of data being written. Thank you for sharing the last few minutes with me and for the opportunity to describe the benefits of using BitWackr in a Windows and Microsoft application environment. For more information regarding BitWackr for Windows available to OEMs, system integrators, and value-add resellers, please be sure to check out bitwackr.com, where you can request an evaluation toolkit.